Okay. Hi guys, Dakota here. Today we are roasting some animation memers who were just tracers. Oh my gosh. What is that? Why is there Overwatch stuff? Oh my god! Okay, this dude named Icy. And ow. Your cat feet. Your head. Look at your hair. Look at those big giant balls. Oh my gosh. Why? Why did you have to do this? Catfifi? However you pronounce it. Oh my. What? Oh my gosh. I'm behind a tracer. What's. Uh-oh. Not good. Not good. That is not good. Not good. Since mine. Why is there so many freaking Overwatch stuff? I didn't even search up Overwatch. This is traced. This is traced. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it better be a joke. Oh my god. Okay, I can't do it. Why? Oh gosh, idiot. Oh, what's a crayon? Okay. Ring ding. Okay, hold on. Look at this. This is not traced. This is traced. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can't. Oh my gosh. She's a tracer. She's like. People say that she's a tracer, and oh my gosh, that is Starright's art. It looks like Starright's art. And she makes different art styles. Oh, that is traced. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is all traced.